What if? That's a question that continues to drive us forward. With our deep knowledge of enterprise-level maintenance and support, we can help your business overcome many storage challenges. So what if there was a better way? What if your post-warranty storage hardware had another 5 years of life in it? By breaking out of the OEM upgrade cycle, you can realize 50% more ROI on your data center assets. What if you could solve the problem of escalating costs? New storage means higher costs. Redeploying post-warranty hardware reduces capital spend and frees up internal resources. What if you could expand your capacity using off-the-shelf hardware? Chances are you'll always need more capacity. Reusing post-warranty hardware in a software-defined storage infrastructure lets you allocate and use capacity in a way that suits your requirements. What if you had a single point of contact for your multi-vendor data center? Simplify service management. With genuine spare parts guaranteed, we cover support for storage, servers, and networks. What if you could choose your own SLAs? Get the cover you need on a per-asset basis, or choose the level of cover you need from 4 hours to next business day. For enterprise-level data center maintenance and support, talk to us today. cds.net